Hello everybody, it's Ryan KC9OZA, and I was just going to talk about another event coming up that I've participated in the past and wanted to share. It is Winter Field Day, and it is January 28th, 29th, 2023. So what is Winter Field Day? Winter Field Day is a communications exercise. It is held on the last full weekend in January. Can be worked from either the comfort of your home or in a remote setup location. You can participate by yourself, with friends, family, or even get your club involved, which is what we have done in the past. Amateur radio operators may use the frequencies in the HF, VHF, and UHF bands and are free to use any mode that can faithfully transmit the required exchange intact. It is very similar to AWL's Field Day. Bonus points can be earned in several ways, including non-commercial power sources, operating in remote locations, satellite contacts, and more. So, here on their page, as you scroll down, they have resources that tell you when it starts, when it ends, what bands you can operate on. You go over here, it tells you different logging programs that you can use while operating. They have aids for your operation that can help you during the contest. Different downloadable content. You have your rules, event packets. They also have a question and answer page. You can see where they've been in the news, sign up for their newsletter, and the results, which the results will be posted after the event. So we'll go back to the rules. And I mean, they have different point systems, whether you operate at home or mobile, set up at a park or somewhere using battery powered, etc. And they've limited it now to 100 watts PEP. And here it shows what time they start, the objective of the contest, different entry categories. So you have your home, which is anything, your regular shack or anything within 500 feet of your home residence. You will use a H. Indoor, anywhere indoors that's not your home or within the 500 foot as previously mentioned. Outdoors, that'd be like a park or campsite or anything like that. And now they have a mobile stationary, so if you go to the park, put an antenna up on your vehicle, operate from within your vehicle, you use that. The exchange, it tells you how to use, what you need to use to make the contact, what information needs to be exchanged. So is your call sign, your class, category, and your location identifier. What bands can you use? All bands except 12, 17, 30, and 60 meters. Modes that can be used: CW, phone, which includes sideband, AM, FM, DMR, C4 FM, etc. The digital modes, it still has to be simplex. You can't go through a repeater or anything like that. Digital, PSK, RTTY, Olivia, Packet, SSTV, ATV, GS8 call. But they do not allow FT8 and FT4. Your points, you get points for different types of the exchange, and you have multipliers depending on what you're doing. And here it kind of goes through and explains that, your point system and bonus points that you can get. How to submit your logs while you're doing it. kind of gives an example here what information needs to be sent in. So we'll go to the history. Here the history tells you that how Winter Field Day come about, the idea behind it, and then the committee here, what the thought process was behind it. Here are your original members of the Winter Field Day, and here are your current board members for Winter Field Day. They also have a shop if you want to get any merchandise. And here you can even get 5% off if you use the code WFD23. And then if you got any questions or anything, they have their contact. You can email, Twitter, Facebook, Discord, or you can even make a donation to help out the cause. So is this an event that any of you have taken part of in the past? Are you going to participate in it this year? Let me know down in the comments below. I'll leave their link to their page down in the description below. Let me know, will you be participating in Winter Field Day? If so, maybe we'll see you on the air. Catch y'all later in 73s.